Today in this class we are going to learn about pad. This is a pad. Okay. For that, first of all, draw some planes. 100. Okay. Again 3, 4, 5 planes. I'm choosing 5 planes to explain clear and complete pad. Now select this plane and draw the sketch. Here I'm choosing center rectangle. This is the sketch. Exit workbench. Go to the pad option. Here I'm giving 20 length. Okay, let's give 10. Preview. Okay, I'm selecting second plane. Sketch workbench. Here I'm choosing again rectangle only. Exit workbench. Here we saw 10 mm length. Again I'm considering 10 mm length, but now see here I'm considering reverse direction. Means previously it comes towards me. Now I'm giving reverse direction. See this arrow, it's changing direction. Okay, now I'm changing direction. This is the one more option in pad. Preview. Okay, select the plane, exit the workbench. I'm choosing hexagon now. Exit workbench. Here I have 10 mm direction, so 10 mm front and reverse direction. Here one more option, mirror extent. See, from selection of the plane, it gives both direction, front and back side. So it is a mirror extension. Okay, equal. I mean, from this plane to here it is 10 mm. From again this plane to backwards it is 10 mm. So totally 20 mm with 20 mm thickness. The profile is forming here. That is nothing but using mirror extension option. Okay. Again select the plane, sketch, draw a circle, exit workbench, pad. So now I'm using second limit. Here it is first limit. In first limit there is type, dimension, length. Here we saw reverse direction and mirror extend. These three options have completed. Now one more option is second limit. We can use second limit also. In second limit it is 0. First limit it is 10 mm. See, in first limit it is 10 mm towards outside. Now I am giving 20 mm. Okay, back side 20 mm. Totally the circle thickness is 30 mm. 20 plus 10, 30 mm. Okay, preview. Okay, again sketch, select it. Here I want to draw a sphere, but it's not possible to draw a sphere exactly, so that we use some different option. Cut. Erase. Here I am erasing. Okay, finish. Exit workbench. This is the option. Now I am using shaft section. This is a section. Okay, so to explain clear and all options in pad, so that I chose 5 planes and 5 profiles. Okay, this is a way of giving thickness to the sketch with the help of pad. Now let's see here. Now we completed dimension, 1 dimension, and mirror extent, reverse direction, and type. Okay, but my intention is to explain this all also. Dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. To explain this 5, I chose this 5 profiles. Now let's select this sketch. Here I am drawing a small circle. Exit workbench. Now let's see option. Here it is dimension 10 mm. Now I want 25. Enter 25. Preview. Okay, this is the option, up to 25. Okay, now let's see. Now I don't want up to 25. I want up to next. So from this plane, what is the up to next? This plane is the next level. So it is selecting here, up to next. By choosing up to next, if we give reverse direction, it doesn't support because backside there is no plane. There is no next. That's why it is not accepted. Okay, right. So here we say dimension and up to next plane. Here it is. Now I want not up to next option I want to use. What is that? Up to last means up to this sphere. Okay, throughout everything it comes from this plane to up to last this surface profile. I want to use up to plane, means it's my option which plane I will select, it comes up to there. See, up to plane, I selected this plane, that's why it stopped here. Now I want to select this plane. Okay, this is the up to next. And what is the another option? Up to surface. This is the up to surface. Here particularly I selected sphere. Why? Because these all have flat pattern, but sphere it is circular pattern. In this option it is surface. Surface may be flat pattern or curved pattern, whatever may be. It choose up to that irregular shape of profile. That's why we use up to surface. Okay, here it seems to be everything is similar options, but in practical we get clear idea what is what. Okay, this is the basic level of pad. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.